So today we're actually going to discuss about trust crisis AI freelancing. So if you can see, AI is like a full HD webcam. You're using webcam at your computer or using webcam at your blog. A webcam must be clear. It's very important. Your webcam is something that you use for work. Like I have a webcam right now. Something that you will actually use for your clients to work with you. So, kailangan clear yung proof that leads to blurry from. So, ang topic natin dito is AI. Paano natin magkaroon tayo ng clear proof that beats blurry promises, especially if you're going to offer something to a client. And the reason why webcams nilagay ko dito is because so that you may be able to understand paano yung AI work and example natin. So, HD webcam. Okay, visualize this. The proof over promise. Yung blurry cam, type lang yan. Walang kita, walang tiwala. You don't want to be there. Most of the content creators sometimes are doing there and then trend jacking para lang magkaroon ng views or clients. Which wala namang masama pero it becomes unsustainable. Dito naman sa Full HD, meron kang webcam, meron kang proof. Dapat nagbibigay ka ng proof. Yun yung clear outputs, case studies, testimonial, napakahalaga niyan. Mostly makukuha mo lang yun sa free services or connections. Sa freelancing, clients want to see it, not just hear the promises. Mas malaki yung promise mo kapag meron kang root, pag meron kang may papakita sa kanilang mga mata. Clear picture equals clear value. If you can see the webcam, meron siya mga manual focus. Pwede siya sa work, pwede yung webcam sa family, pwede yung webcam sa computer, anything. Autofocus equals specific examples. Yung webcam, meron siya autofocus. Ngayon naman sa'yo, dapat meron ka din mapapakitang mga work na pwedeng ma-focus ng client. Ito pala yung gawa mo. Meron ka din, yung webcam, meron siya built-in mic. So, parang sa story mo, dapat authentic, saka hindi gawa-gawa, then lighting matters. So, transparency sa presyo at proseso. Why clients choose you? Marami kasi mga fake guru pitch, pixelated, hindi trustworthy. Real demos, may papakita ka, parang yung webcam na may sharp HD. Kita agad yung skills. Sa Pilipinas, mas naniniwala sila sa ito gawa ko versus dito ako magaling. So may mapapakita kong work sa kanila, panalo ka. Gusto mo ng community ng mga freelancers tapos maging accountable or gusto mo mag-deep dive pa sa topic na to, I do have a free membership link in the description sa YouTube. Limited lang yung mga members. So you better join as fast as possible.